My name is Han Bin. I from the Center of Research small contribution in the Natural History Museum of Paris. The lab was created in 1963 by Dr. Philippe, and now the director is Bertrand Lubantry, and with the research on paper, leather, and photograph. So let's begin. So now there's lots of paper-based documents in the private collections and in the museums, and in the archiving, storage, restoration, public display. The one basic question they need is to know the material or technique involved in this. To get this information, we can refer to the historical descriptions, and we can refer to the early investigations. With the establishment of the cell theory and the invention of the microscope, it has been applied for the examination of papers. The early work is done by Julia Wisner in the early 19th century. So at that time, they don't have the device for record. You have to draw it. So it's drawings. It's very nice. So with the advance of this technique, we have more and more precise resolutions, EBS. We have lots of, so this technique has been more and more advanced, and then we can use this to analyze the paper-making fibers. This method is still widely used because it's very easy to use, very easy to learn, and has a lot of very widely applications. So this method is, we use the chromatograph besides microscope. Now we are using a new method. These two methods can be combined. So we use this GC or GC-based method with the chemometrics can be used for differentiation of different plant materials. It can be further applied for some unknown samples, especially if they have very important historical values to answer some questions like identification and provenance that will be benefit in the research of cultural heritage. This kind of, we are doing some kind of chemotextonomy, and they can be used with the link of handmade paper materials for the textonomy. That means precise fiber origins, and also the paper making technique, evaluation of the degradation to investigate the first part of the chromatograph, and also with the very well-defined samples, like the sample provided by Kim. It's very also very interesting to evaluate the quality of this paper. Okay.